Looks like we sucked fuel down about almost all the way out of the fuel line there when it quit today, so that's good. And the water was pumping really nicely through that reservoir, so I'm glad all that's working. And the light experiments seem to have gone well enough here. I'm going to keep trying out this light that I acquired. I got to find better ways to mount it though. It's not real steady the way I currently have it set up. And now that the little sideline here with the ETX is completed, we can go back to the generator box. If you remember, before I took the little break here for personal reasons, I had tried rewiring that again because there was a mystery short in the generator box, but I think otherwise I have it set up so it'll make 5 volts, and I might be able to run the other engines from the generator box using one of the using the ET1 to run the generator box. But I'll have to try that another day, because part of being out of town and so busy with personal stuff is I haven't done any chores at home, and I need to do chores. In fact, I don't think I did in the intro or start up the little bit about hello, it's been a while, and hopefully I'll be able to get back on this. Personal matters came up and I was really busy with family stuff. So yeah, the death in the family and trying to interact with all those things, but now we should be back to playing with these once a week, or trying them out once a week, and I'm hoping that that generator box is the next thing on the docket now that this reservoir on the ETX seems to be working out.